If you try using the app, you'll soon see it has two problems. First, adding an expense doesn't dismiss AddView, it just stays there. And second, when you do add an expense, you can't actually see any details about it. Before we wrap up this project, let's fix those to make the whole thing feel a little more polished. First, dismissing AddView is done by storing a reference to the view's presentation mode, then calling dismiss on it when the time's right. The presentation mode is controlled by the view's environment and links to the isPresented parameter for our sheet. That boolean gets set to true by us to show AddView, but will be flipped back to false by the environment when we call dismiss on the presentation mode. So start by adding this property to AddView. @environment \presentation mode var presentation mode. You'll notice we don't specify a type for that. Swift can figure it out thanks to the @environment property wrapper. Next, we need to call presentation mode.wrappedValue.dismiss when we want the view to dismiss itself. This causes the showing addExpense boolean in content view to go back to false and hides the add view. We already have a save button in AddView that creates a new expense item and appends it to our existing expenses. So add this on the line directly after the current code. self.presentationMode.wrappedValue.dismiss. That solves the first problem, which just leaves a second. We show the name of each expense item but nothing more. This is because the for each for our list is trivial. It's just the text of the item's name. We're going to replace that with a stack within another stack to make sure all the information looks good on screen. The inner stack will be a VStack showing the expense name and type. Then around that will be a HStack with a VStack on the left, then a spacer, then the expense amount. This kind of layout's common on iOS, title and subtitle on the left and more information on the right. So replace the existing for each in content view with this. HStack, VStack, alignment.leading, text item.name, .font, .headline, text item.type, then a spacer, then text $item.amount. Now run the program one last time and try it out. We're done.